We're going to be solving one-step equations, and in this case, our equation is 18 equals a divided by 2. We're going to use the same criteria for success and ask ourselves the following questions. What is happening to the variable? Here I can see that my variable a is being divided by 2. How do we undo that? If I'm undoing something, that means I need the inverse. The inverse of division is going to be multiplication. So that means I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. How do we keep balance? That means whatever we do to the right side of the equal sign, we must do to the left. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. In this case, this simplifies to 1. 2 times 18 is going to give me 36. So that means 36 equals a, or if you want to write it in the other way, it's going to be a equals 36.